Okay, so the lesson that we're going to do today, we are actually going to do for the next 3 days. So today, Monday, and Tuesday. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to do it. Today, I am going to show you the way that one of my classmates and I did when we were in college. We had to take this lesson and we had to create a way to teach students how to do it that made sense to them. So today we're going to learn a way it's not in your book. You will not be able to Google search it and see it because it is something that my friend Jenna and I made up. But it works every single time. And most students like to do it this way. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be multiplying binomials by binomials, which means that we're going to have 2 sets of parentheses, and inside of our parentheses we're going to have 2 things. That's why it's called a binomial. So today we're going to learn the face method. So we're going to be drawing a face around our binomials. So,
have you patented this idea yet?
no. Alright, so we're going to have a binomial times a binomial. Okay? We're going to draw a face, which means that we're drawing eyebrow, eyebrow, nose, mouth. Okay, those are the 4 things that we're going to draw. Hence the name face. We got eyebrows, nose, and a mouth. So,
Oh my gosh.
eyebrow 1,
We also have eyeballs.
eyebrow 2. These are our eyeballs.
They don't look
Our
like
eyeballs.
eyeballs.
Our nose, and our mouth. So what you're going to do is once you have your eyebrows drawn, your nose drawn, your mouth drawn, you're going to multiply what's at the end of each of those 4 things.
So we have a unibrow.
Multiply, yes, we have a unibrow. Multiply our first eyebrow ends. So we have A times C, so AC. Multiply our second eyebrow, so we have B times D. Multiply our nose, so we get B, C. Multiply our mouth, and we get A, D. When you do this, then you're going to combine like terms. Our nose and our mouth are going to be our like terms in pretty much every single one. Okay? So, read me.
But you know what? Now,
Parentheses, y plus 4 and parentheses y, or yeah, y plus 3.
this is
Okay.
now you'll be able to Google search it because it's on YouTube. We just need to name this face method for solving
Sure.
binomials.
Okay, so I want to see your eyebrows, your nose, and your mouth drawn. Okay? So draw your eyebrows, draw your nose, draw your mouth. If you ask any student that's ever had me for a class, if they know what the face method is, they know that better than FOIL and box, which are the 2 methods that we'll learn next week. So I have y times y. 4 times 3.
12.
4 times y. 3, or y times 3.
3.
Nose and mouth match. They're the same. They're like terms.
7, 1.
Okay? Write them in descending order. So my y squared, then I'm going to do my joining,
Do we have
and then add my number.
How are those? Oh, you're right.
do we have
Yes, you should write your answers in descending order today. Okay? Number 5.
Once you get that, is that a finished thing or do you have to add those?
You can't because this is a y squared and this is a y1. So then you're just done.
x minus 2,
Okay.
x plus 6.
I'm on 452.
Okay? X minus 2, x plus 6. We're drawing our faces. Eyebrow, eyebrow, nose, mouth. Eyebrow 1 gives me
X squared.
eyebrow 2 gives me, my nose gives me, my mouth gives me, Again, my nose and mouth are the same, they're my right
4x.
terms.
4x.
So I get x squared, combine these,
Plus 4.
bring my number down.
We all.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the base method that me and Jay invented
I don't want to.
Who is this?
14
Jen?
years ago. Actually, it's like 13 years ago.
I would
The
like
girl that I
to
went
be
to college with at USF.
You went to USF?
USF. Go to.
I didn't know you were.
Questions?